Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now we have to enter date and time, and currently we do not have any options to manually customize. It is because we are using the automatic date time and the time zone. So first of all, just turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date, choose it from the calendar, tap on done. The same situation with that time, just by swiping we can set new time, done, and time zone, just tap on it and choose the time zone, whichever you want to. Just find it and tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. Moreover, we've got the clock format option. Currently we are using the 24-hour one. If you want to use 12-hour format, just turn off this option and it will be immediately applied, of course. And basically this is the whole manual customization of date and time. You can go back to all automatic settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.